So when this song with Marcia Griffiths, was this the first one that came out, the first big one from Penthouse, All My Life with Marcia Griffiths?
Yeah, because eventually, after I did quite a few songs, but I started work on, God, Germain gave me the access in the studio to do whatever I wanted to do on any rhythm. So I started voice and play around on the rhythm and exercise my talents, and if something was, seemed like it was good enough for him, he would release it. And I remember when I came up with the idea for the All My Life with Marcia Griffiths, I think I was still a member of ARP, and I think that was the song that made me decide to go solo, because I wanted to do the song with Marcia, and then someone never too interested, like they never too interested from my point of view. And then I think Germain, and I said, Germain, I have this song that I want to sing about for the longest, and I think that if you could get Marcia Griffiths on this song, it would make a big difference. She could really do some damage with the song, At that time, remember, me a soda youth, no name at the time, soda-wise speaking, still young at the thing, so it was kind of, my chest was kind of high to be asking what I was asking, And but anyway, Germain loved the idea, and I guess he reached out to Marcia, and we made a studio appointment, and we bring in Lenky and the whole team, and we build the song from scratch. By the time the rhythm was done built, Marcia came in. Man, I tell you that, man, when Marcia walked through the door, that was like, that was so heavy, man. Like, that was just like royalty that's coming to the building, B.
Of course.
You know what I mean, man? Ooh, boy, I tell you, I never forget the feeling of that day, boy, when I saw Marcia, and I know for a fact that I'm going to sing a song with her. Ooh, boy. Man. And then when she opened her mouth on the record, man, I'm like, ooh, done deal. Yeah.
And there you were off. So I know you spent about 3 years over at Penthouse?
Yeah, I did. And then, by me being over there eventually, when that song came out, it was doing great. But nobody still was recognizing me on the record. They heard me on the record, but nobody knew who it was. You know what I mean? They just know that Marcia have this song with this person. They love the record. They're playing the record. You know what I mean? But it's just Marcia Griffiths song. What that guy again?
Deville? It's not Deville.
Yeah, but me never really care. Me just know, say, my voice that, and one day I'm not going to know who it is. You get me? And eventually, again, even though that one, it was a bit rough for me still in terms of being solo.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.